We are the Bash family. This is little Basher Joshua. This is little Basher George. This is little Basher Daniel. And the main man doing the photography today is
George.
main man Basher George. We are gonna use this sledgehammer to
against a melon.
disintegrate this melon. What do you think?
It is 10 out of 100. Yeah, and this is gonna be really awesome.
Basher Daniel, shall we do this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
And do this.
So we're going to our little table here, and we're gonna. My daddy is gonna smash the melon to pieces. It's gonna be awesome.
Really awesome.
Right.
We're gonna do it
Everybody,
after the count of
safety.
0,
Safety,
5,
safety.
4, 3, 2, 1,
Ah.
0.
Pretend. Right, I'm gonna do it, and you're gonna watch.
3,
1,
2,